Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.11. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has gone through natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 0.98%. This equates to an average return of 0.49% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $476.11 will initially suggest a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 5.26% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 15.09% to negative 4.68%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a 31.93% change over the next year, with a potential return between 24.74% and 46.58%. This translates to a price range of $590.29 to $693.63 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF price ended at $473.22 on Thursday after gaining 0.98%. The QQQ ETF price gained 0.98% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024. The price rose from $468.62 to $473.22. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.54%, ranging from a low of $466.85 to a high of $474.04. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 0.4% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 18 million shares, with a total of 39 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $18.55 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially signaling changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 6.02%, or $30.30, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ ETF signal a mix of opportunities and challenges for investors. Inflation in the United States is now at a 3-year low, potentially encouraging investments in growth ETFs like QQQ, as investors look to capitalize on this favorable trend. However, concerns linger as artificial intelligence stocks, including major player NVIDIA, have experienced a pullback, which may create jitters among investors reliant on this sector. Valuations for QQQ are notably high, with a forward earnings ratio of 26.89, but still below other large-cap growth ETFs. While strong growth metrics support this valuation, risks include downward earnings surprises, particularly in light of NVIDIA's recent performance. As technology stocks face increasing scrutiny, the demand for substantial results over speculation is rising, which could prevent major price increases in the near term. As the Federal Reserve potentially navigates a lower rate environment, ETFs are being highlighted as favorable investments. In this landscape, QQQ may see volatility as investors reassess their strategies, especially following recent sell-offs in the tech sector. Despite these challenges, long-term prospects remain promising, given the ETF's strong performance history and its role in facilitating access to top artificial intelligence-related stocks. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is anticipated at $460.76 and $463.22. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, potentially serving as an early warning sign. Close attention should be paid to the ETF. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and thus far, the price has decreased by 1.92%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 28 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 203 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the fund to the next support level. In this instance, QQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded with good volume, and due to minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $7.19, which is 1.54% between its high and low. For the past week, the fund has exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.25%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QQQ, let's take a moment to review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or suggest that the stock is undervalued, pointing to a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $479.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $455.65, reflecting a decline of 3.71%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a reduced risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 25 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ displays several negative signals, suggesting it may be a candidate for selling. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it might be wise to consider it a hold or accumulation opportunity while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of September, we anticipate that QQQ will open down by $1.85, beginning trading at $471.37. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.